Hey there. I just wanted to drop this quick video to make an announcement that I'm really excited about. So I have partnered with the team over at Bookshare, which is a nonprofit initiative aimed at making books accessible for readers with reading barriers. And these barriers include vision impairment, blindness, cerebral palsy, dyslexia, and others. Bookshare and the nonprofit organization Benetech that runs it has a really important mission, and that is to make books accessible to all. And they've done a lot of really important work in the education space, in making ebooks accessible and helping both publishers and authors create a world where any reader can read a book, regardless of who they are. I'm excited to announce that my entire catalog is available on Bookshare for these readers. The great thing about Bookshare is the Bookshare Reader app, which is a specialized reading app that makes reading easier. And it allows a customized reading experience in both ebook, audio, highlighted text, braille, large font, and other formats. There is a library of over 1.1 million titles, and readers who use the app can read anywhere in the format that works best for them. So whether you're reading for pleasure, reading for work, ebooks are accessible to you. Now, if you've been following me for a while, then you know that I've been saying it on this channel for the past 12 years or so, that our goal as authors should be to make it so that any reader in the world can pick up our books and become a fan. Yet when I think about the self-publishing community in particular, we don't always think about those readers. And that is something that needs to change. While this was an invitation from the Bookshare team, as they're not able to accept everyone, I did learn a lot about what it takes to make an accessible ebook. And I want to share that with you in a future video. Frankly, I was surprised in speaking with the folks at Bookshare just how simple it was to create books that are more accessible. And I think a lot of us have work to do. And frankly, if I'm honest, I was surprised at just how simple it was to integrate accessibility thought processes into my workflows as an author in the production of my books. And I was able very simply to take my existing catalog and get that to be automatically more accessible for this Bookshare community. In the meantime, I want to thank the Bookshare team for the invitation. I'm proud to support this initiative, and I hope that you will join me in learning more about Bookshare by visiting bookshare.org. You can also learn more about Benetech, the nonprofit organization that runs Bookshare, and the very important mission that they have. Thank you for watching. Happy reading, and I'll see you in the next video.